Hey everyone, welcome back to the Learn and Grow podcast. I'm Shan, your host. And today, we're going to talk about one of the most natural ways to learn English, through everyday conversations.
Hey, I'm Jezzy. And yes, this is one of my favorite ways to improve English. You don't always need textbooks, just talk.
Exactly. So if you're listening and thinking, I don't have anyone to practice with, don't worry. Today we'll share easy tips, real examples, and ways to create conversation practice in your daily life.
Segment 1. Why daily conversation helps.
Let's start simple. Why is learning English through daily conversation so powerful?
Because it's real. You're not just learning rules. You're learning how people actually speak in real life.
Right. And it builds confidence. You learn how to respond naturally and quickly, not just memorize grammar.
Plus, it helps you remember words better. The more you use a word in context, the faster it sticks in your brain.
Exactly. And even better, it makes learning fun and practical.
Segment 2. Examples of everyday English.
Let's give a few examples of common daily expressions learners can practice.
Great idea. Okay, morning routine. We say, I just woke up. I need coffee. What's the plan today?
Love it. Or when you're outside, it's really hot today. Let's grab something to eat. Do you want to go for a walk?
Exactly. These are not textbook phrases, but they're used all the time.
Listeners, you can even practice by talking to yourself, like, I'm brushing my teeth. Now I'm making breakfast.
Haha, yes, I do that. It helps your brain think in English.
Segment 3. How to practice daily conversations, even alone.
So some people might say, but I have no one to speak with.
That's okay. You can still practice. Here's how. 1. Talk to yourself aloud. 2. Use voice notes on your phone. Describe your day. 3. Record short dialogues using YouTube, then repeat them. 4. Or use AI or language exchange apps to simulate real conversations.
Yes! I recommend learners try something called shadowing. You repeat after native speakers, almost like echoing them.
That's a great method. You can try it with podcasts, dramas, or even TikTok.
Segment 4. Key phrases to master.
Let's give listeners a few key phrases they can start practicing today. Ready, Jezzy?
Let's do it. How's it going? What have you been up to? I'm not sure about that. That sounds great. Let me think. What do you mean?
These are natural conversation builders. Don't worry about being perfect. Just keep practicing.
And you can use these every day, in class, at work, with friends, or even online chats.
Segment 5. Staying consistent.
Now, one last thing. How do we stay consistent with practicing daily?
Make it part of your habit. For example, speak 5 minutes every morning. Watch a short English video daily. Try one new phrase each day in real life.
So good. Small steps every day will build big progress over time.
Exactly. And don't be hard on yourself if you mess up. Learning is a journey.
Segment 6. Mistakes are part of the process.
Okay, let's be real. A lot of learners are scared of making mistakes when they speak English.
Yes, I've been there. I used to think, what if they laugh at me? Or, what if I say the wrong word?
But here's the truth. Mistakes are your best teachers.
Exactly. You learn more by speaking and making errors than by staying silent and being perfect.
So to everyone listening, speak with courage, not with perfection.
Segment 7. Watching and listening as practice.
You know what else helps? Watching and listening to real conversations, like dramas, vlogs, and podcasts.
Totally. That's how I improved my listening and pronunciation. I used to watch sitcoms like Friends with subtitles, then without.
Same. Or YouTube interviews. You learn how people actually speak, with expressions, slang, and emotions.
Yes, it's like language in 3D, not flat like a textbook. Try watching 10 minutes of English content daily. Pause and repeat what they say.
Segment 8. Set simple speaking goals.
Before we end, let's help our listeners set small speaking goals.
Great idea. Okay, how about this? Day 1. Introduce yourself in English. Day 2. Describe what you ate today. Day 3. Talk about your favorite movie. Day 4. Try ordering food in English, even just for fun. Day 5. Practice with a friend or leave a voice message.
Love it. Keep it fun, light, and do able.
Yes, and if you miss a day, no worries. Just keep going. The goal is progress, not perfection.
So today we've shared a lot, from daily conversations, practicing alone using real content, and even setting weekly goals.
It's been so fun. I hope everyone listening feels more confident to speak and learn English naturally.
And remember, your English doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be practiced. And don't forget, subscribe, share this with your friends, and let us know. What's one phrase you'll start using today?
That's right. We believe in you. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone, and don't forget to keep learning and keep talking. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel and learn more every week.